Hi everyone, my name is Steven Kastelik, and this is how to use BlinkSync. The first thing you do is go to blinksync.com, order some glasses, sign up for the app subscription, and this is what you get in the mail. These are the JINS Meme. So they're manufactured from a company in Japan, and when you order them, that's where they're coming from, and they come in the mail like this. They're really lightweight. They've got a sporty curved frame, and the lenses are actually plain and clear when you get them in the mail. But if you need prescription or transition sunglass lenses, you simply just take them to your local lens crafter, tell them what lenses you want, and they'll make them right there for you. These nose pieces right here are metal, and those are the sensors that track the biometrics on your face, such as blinking and posture. So just be very careful when adjusting these nose pieces, because that's where the tech is. This piece can come out with a screwdriver, but right now these are the only frames that the tech fits in. So that's what you get when you order the glasses from blinksync.com. Once you download the app onto your phone, the app will walk you through the Bluetooth process on pairing them, and that's when you can sync the glasses to the app, and the app will show you your body's energy level, and it will learn the data patterns from your glasses as you drive throughout the day, and you can check your energy level proactively. It's really designed to be used between drives, before drives, so to get an idea of exactly when you can expect to feel fatigued, to plan ahead of time, learn your patterns, and learn when the best times are of the day to drive, when the best times are of the day to rest, optimizing shift scheduling, reducing the risk of accidents before the drive even begins. The glasses have an 8-hour battery life, so a truck driver might need to charge them on their break via USB charger. It does come with an adapter, but it's a really easy to use app. It fits seamlessly into a driver's workday. For example, as long as the app is running in the background, whenever the driver sets the glasses down like this, upside down, the pairing will automatically cease because the glasses turn off, so it saves battery that way. And when the driver picks the glasses and puts them back on, the app will automatically repair with the glasses, no touching involved. If you have any more questions, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to hear from you. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.